Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The Ologbotsere family of Warri Kingdom last weekend rolled out its drums to celebrate the 6th anniversary of the installation of Chief AYIRI'S as the Ologbotsere of Warri Kingdom. The ceremony, which took place at the palatial home of Chief AYIRI in Warri, was attended by prominent members of the Ologbotsere family. The celebration is in spite of the Olu of Warri, Ogiame Atuwase III's removal of Chief AYIRI as Ologbotsere, a move which some of the family members insist is dead on arrival. The Ologbotsere chieftaincy in Warri Kingdom Delta State is the most important chieftaincy stool in the kingdom, as the Ologbotsere is first among equals in the Council of Chiefs and doubles as the chairman of the 5-member Olu's Advisory Council. The Ologbotsere is next in hierarchy to the Olu of Warri and is regarded as the traditional prime minister of the kingdom, with one of his major roles being the midwifing of the selection and eventual coronation of an Olu of Warri whenever the need arises. After 30 years without an Ologbotsere, the 20th Olu of Warri, Ogiame Ekenwole I, decided to appoint Chief AYIRI as the 4th Ologbotsere of Warri. This decision was greeted with opposition by some Ishekiris, who felt Chief AYIRI was probably too young for such an important traditional responsibility. However, Ogiame Ekenwole saw in Chief AYIRI what Ogiame Atuwase II saw in him when 5 years earlier he installed Chief AYIRI as the Ajuwa Oyiboyami of Warri, otherwise known as AKUGHA. So, in spite of the petty protests, Ogiame Ekenwole went ahead to install Chief AYIRI as the Ologbotsere of Warri on the 20th of October 2017. Last weekend marked the 6th anniversary of Chief AYIRI's installation, and the Ologbotsere family rolled out their drums to celebrate their leader.
We are celebrating the 6th anniversary of the conferment of Ologbotsere title on our father, Chief AYIRI'S.
We are celebrating the anniversary of our father, AYIRI'S, the Ologbotsere one of Warri Kingdom.
Chief AYIRI'S continued wide acceptance as Ologbotsere of Warri is in spite of Ogiame Atuwase III's double derobing of Chief AYIRI. Prince Clem Omotoye of Iwere Consultative Forum insists that the derobing of Chief AYIRI by Ogiame Atuwase III is null and void and of no effect whatsoever, as Chief AYIRI still continues to wear the traditional ankle bracelets.
The Ologbotsere of Warri Kingdom, being the man that sits to the right hand of the Olu, and the Yashere of Warri Kingdom, the man that sits to the left-hand side of the Olu. In the Shekri, they are called Orieni, while the Olu himself is called Okpara. Now, there is a bracelet that is usually on the legs of these 3 personalities. Because of the way this whole removal was concocted, they forgot and left that paraphernalia with Chief AYIRI'S. And there is an adage in the Shekri that Ojukwembi is about to question, meaning that the moment that thing is woven around your leg, it is only death that will remove it. In as much as it's there with him, he is the Ologbotsere of Warri Kingdom.
Spokesman for Ologbotsere descendants worldwide, Comrade Alex Enyego, says the Ologbotsere family is continuing with the 3 court cases against Guinea One ruling house and Ogiame Atuwase III to redress the attempted injustices against Chief AYIRI.
As long as the Ologbotsere himself, Chief AYIRI'S, is standing firm, we stand by him, we stand with him. We also resolve that the cases in court, because so far we have 3 cases in court, those cases must be pursued to its logical conclusion.
As Ologbotsere of Warri, Chief AYIRI is a custodian of Ishekiri customs and tradition and has vowed to defend same against anyone attempting to upturn the dictates of Ishekiri ancestors. Chief AYIRI says he would always put Ishekiri interests even before his personal interests. In his recent meeting with President Bola Tinubu, Chief AYIRI confirmed that their discussions revolved around the promotion of Ishekiri interests.
I'm known as a Shekiri patron. Once it happens to be
issues that have to do with Shekiri, I stand by it. Against any odd, I can sacrifice anything for Shekiri. But one cannot just wake up and say at our custom and traditions he wants to do it otherwise, or he wants to turn it otherwise. And those are things we stand against.
Chief Ayiri, who was supposed to midwife the selection and coronation of the 21st Olu of Warri, insisted that the laws must be followed. This put him on a collision course with some powerful Shekiri personalities, including the current Olu of Warri, Ogame Atuashe III, who since his ascension to the throne has seemingly pursued an agenda of vendetta and humiliation against Chief Ayiri. Yet somehow, Chief Ayiri continues to enjoy widespread acceptance as Ologbotsere of Warri.
My name is Chief Ayiri Emami, the Ologbotsere of Warri. Who else?
Inside the Niger Delta,